Hi guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video I'm gonna be showing you how to remove Gmail from uh, all devices. So let's go to the Gmail first. This is your Gmail account. You have to click on top right corner this profile icon, click on this and then choose manage your Google account, click on this and then choose security, the fourth option, this one. Now scroll down and you'll find here your devices. Just click on your devices, this section, then you can see all of your devices connected to this account. So if you want to remove uh, devices from this account, you have to click on this one and you have to click on sign out. If you click on sign out, your phone or your connected device will be removed. Like this is the same. If you click on this Windows and if you click on sign out, then your Gmail from this will be removed, or your device will be removed from this Gmail account. So this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.